Welcome aboard the Northwest Railway Museum, year 2009 Santa Train. Now you know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen and Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Go, you sing it. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer,
and a very shiny nose.
You rock.
And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed
like a sparkular.
All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names,
like the Grinch.
And they never left poor Rudolph joining any reindeer game,
like hopscotch. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, ho, ho, ho.
Rudolph, with your nose so bright,
won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him,
as he shouted out with glee.
Yippee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer,
You'll go down in history.
Give yourselves a triangle of applause, folks. I don't know why it is. This car always sings real well. Must be something in the woodwork. I have no idea. But great job. When you get to Snoqualmie, please do not be concerned about where to walk to next. There will be helpers on the ground that will be glad to give you directions. Thank you for visiting our Santa Train. See you at 1:30 for the return trip. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, folks.